but you lifted me again. Breathe your mercy on my land. Still I rise through the fire and the rain. Still I rise in the shadow of your name. You have turned my ashes into gold. Your promises forever hold. Still I rise by your grace. Your mercy, still I restore. Still I rise, still I restore. Still I rise, still I rise. Still I rise, still I rise. Still I rise. Falling pieces in your hand, but you lifted me again. Breathe your mercy on my land. Still I rise through the fire and the rain. Still I rise in the shadow of your name. You have turned my ashes into gold. Your promises forever hold. Still I rise by your grace. Still I rise. Ooh. Still I rise. Yeah. Still the night tried hard to steal my song, but your joy became my dawn. Every tear I cried before now waters fields up something more. From broken dreams to holy ground, you rebuild what I tear down. Grace has written my new story. Glory shining through the pain. Still I rise through the fire and the rain. Still I rise. You stepped into my chaos and you whispered, child, just rest. You held me through the storm when my faith was torn apart. You spoke peace into my fear and strength into my heart. You held me through the storm. Your love became my calm. But you stepped into my chaos and you whispered, child, just rest. You held me through the storm when my faith was torn apart. You spoke peace into my fear and strength into my heart. You held me than Still the answer seems delayed, but in the quiet you remind, you are here, you never strayed. Even in the silence you are near. Even when I can't feel, you are here. You are working in the unseen, making beauty out of fear. Even in the silence, you are near. The waiting feels like endless night, but faith is learning how to see. The unseen hand that holds my life still writes my victory. You speak louder than my doubts, peace that stills the storm around. When I cannot hear your sound, you are whispering, holy ground. Time is so hard, and the love's too much, impossible, proudest of the day. I still hear you, calling when I did some more. Everything online, it was you naturally. Eyes of the Bible said it too. It's a sign it's happening. In the silence, I still hear you. I've prayed these prayers 1,000 times, still the answer seems delayed. But in the quiet you remind, you are here, you never strayed. Even in the silence you are near. Even when I can't feel, you are here. You are working in the unseen, making beauty out of fear. Even in the silence, you are near. Oh, the quiet of my pain. I thought you couldn't hear. My prayers were only whispers, lost inside my fear. But you saw my tears fall down. You wrote them all by name. You turned my sorrow into grace and lifted all my shame. You saw my tears, you held me near. Your mercy calmed my every fear. Oh, through the nights I couldn't sleep, you were singing over me. Even when I lost my strength, your love refused to leave. Every tear became a river leading straight into your heart. What the pain tried to destroy, you made beautiful from the start. You saw my tears fall down and turn my mourning into song. Now my heart will sing forever. You've been faithful all along. You saw my tears and called me home. In the quiet of my pain, I thought you couldn't hear. My prayers were only whispers, lost inside my fear. But you saw my tears fall